Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how you can copy the Excel table in Canva. So let's start with the video guys. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. Okay, so there is a two method or way you can see. Uh, you can copy paste or upload the your X table from Excel or Word. Okay, so I just take the presentation, new page. Okay, so first method is you simply go to the Excel. Okay, select that your table, select your table like this, right click on it and copy it. Right click on from your mouse and copy it, or you can simply hit the control plus C for copy. Okay, now come to the Canva page. Okay, now you can simply right click on that blank page or click on this paste, or you can simply hit the control plus V from your keyboard. Okay, allow it. Now your Excel page will be add here, and you can simply add your columns, and you can also delete columns from here. You can also add the columns. Okay, so this is the first method. Second method, what you can do, go to the upload, and you can upload your Excel file or your Microsoft document file, Word file in your Canva. Just upload file, go to the upload file, select your file from your computer and upload it. After upload, you can see this file here like this. Now you need to just click these three dot options and click on open in new tab. So it will be open in new tab like this. It will be open full Excel sheet. Okay, so now what you need to do, if you want to copy paste something from here to original file, you can select simply that all. Okay, we have okay, you can simply select your table from here, just copy it, right click and copy it, or you can also copy the style, copy it and come to the original, and you can paste here like this. Okay, so it will be paste, you can see with colors and all. Okay, another way, if you want to one second, if you want to copy the all page like all sheet like a page in your original design, then what you need to do, here go to the page, show the page thumbnails, just click on it. This is your whole sheet on this one page. Now just click on this three dot option, just copy it, come to the original design and just hit the control plus V. Then you can see this is our first page, second page. At the second page we have the Excel sheet. Okay, so now you can add the this Excel sheet as a page in your Canva design. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.